So let's begin the chapter 1 of Standard 8 practice book. The first chapter is your tenses. Let's read the worksheet 1. Read the sentences given below. Ruchi is quite fond of reading books. Every night she reads for at least 20 minutes before going to bed. At times she narrates these stories to her younger sister. Swami and Friends by Arkanarayan is Ruchi's favorite book. However, these days she is reading Malgudi Days. So you can see there are some verbs which are in bold letters. Can you identify them? Is, reads, narrates, is reading. So these are the verbs which are in which form? Let's see. So all these verbs are in present tense. Okay. So what you have to remember? Is the simple present tense of the verb be verb. So the be verb is our so they are the be verbs was where. Okay. So these are the be verbs. So let's come to the table. Simple present and present continuous. Simple present means, as I have already told you, that verb with SES. So where it is used? To talk about habits, routines or actions that are done repeatedly. Example, Shruti goes for her judo classes every evening. So here goes is in simple present. So it means if you want to express something which happens daily, repeatedly, then what you have to do? You have to use simple present tense. Let's come to the second number. To talk about scientific or universal truth. So generally these universal or scientific truths are written in simple present tense. Example, a plant needs air, water and soil to grow. Okay, so these truths, universal truths or the scientific truths are written in simple present. Third, to advise, request or order, imperative sentences. So they are also written in simple present tense. Example, open the book and read the poem. See the doctor, bring me a chalk, be attentive. Okay, so these are the stay home, stay safe, isn't it? So all these are the examples of simple present tense and their uses where we will use it. Let's come to the present continuous. So it is the structure you can see is aram plus verb ing. First number, where you will use it to talk about an action going on at the time of speaking. When the narrator or the speaker is telling something, the action is going on. For example, now I am teaching, you're listening, you're watching, she is talking. So the things, when the speaker is saying something, so the thing or action is going on. Shruti is going for her judo classes. Means at that time she is going. Okay, when it is told Shruti goes for her judo classes, it means she regularly goes every day, regularly, usually, generally. But when the sentence is written like this, Shruti is going for her judo classes, means at that time she is going. Let's come to the second number. To talk about actions going on these days and not just at the time of speaking, that I was giving the example. Tarun is learning computers these days. When the word these is written, these days, these time, this year, these is written here. So what it refers that the action is being happening that time only, but not always. So they at the time of, not at the time of speaking, but these days are these things are being happening. So Tarun is learning computers these days. Perhaps at that moment Tarun is not learning, but these days, recently, for some days, he is learning. So to talk about actions going on these days. So which tense we will use, which verb we will use? Present continuous. Okay, now come to question number B. So what we have to do here? We have to rewrite the following passage using the simple present tense of the verbs given in the brackets. So I'll tell you to pause the video and write the answer yourself first, and then you can check whether you have written it correctly or not. Now, yoga does be a great stress buster, be verb. So what are the be verbs? Present tense we have to write on in simple present tense. It means you have to write in verb in SES form. So be verbs, present tense is, are, am. So what you will use here? Yes, very good. It is. Yoga is a great stress buster. It helps. So third person singular. So what we will use? SES. So helps in improving concentration. It not only does, it ensures, because it is third person singular. Third person singular subject will carry the verb SES. Singular verb, singular subject. But also teaches how to handle stress levels. It trains us to channelize surplus energy in a positive manner. Yoga acts as a magic healer. It unravels many hidden qualities that we possess. We don't have to use SES here because we is plural. Okay, so the verb will also be plural. So without SES. Now read the question number C. Imagine yourself to be a TV news reporter. You have been asked to cover a live festival program going on in the city. Given below is a picture of the festival. Observe the picture and write what various people are doing. One example has been done for you. Let's see the picture here. Okay, now come to the Welcome to the live telecast of the City Carnival. On your screen, you can see the live footage of the festival. The mayor is delivering his speech and his bodyguards are keeping an eye on the crowd. So, which tense will be used here? Present continuous. That means is, are, am, verb, ing. Why? What the people are doing. So what you have to do? What the people are doing. Doing refers to the ongoing action. So you can write down here. Bodyguards are keeping an eye on the crowd. The people are going to buy different things displayed in the shops. And next is your homework. Okay, you have to write down some 3 to 4 lines. You can see the picture and write down some of the lines. Okay, for today this much, and we'll continue in the next session. Thank you.